Hey, Elena. What time do you usually leave work in the evening?
Hi, John. I usually leave the office around 5:30 p.m. How about you?
I leave around 6 p.m. Most days I get home by 6:30. The traffic can be a bit much sometimes.
Same here. Once I get home, the first thing I do is take off my shoes and wash my hands. What about you?
Oh, definitely. I do the same. After that, I usually change my clothes and relax on the sofa for a bit.
Sounds nice. I usually start cooking dinner around 7 p.m. Do you cook or order food?
On weekdays, I usually cook something simple. I boil pasta or fry some vegetables. I eat dinner around 7:30.
That's a healthy habit. I try to eat before 8 p.m. After dinner, I wash the dishes and wipe the table.
Yes, I also clean up after dinner. Then I like to watch some TV or listen to music for about an hour.
Do you watch any shows regularly?
Yeah, I usually watch a travel show at 8:30 p.m. It helps me relax. What about you?
I sometimes watch the news at 9, but on most days, I prefer to read a book in my bedroom.
Nice. I try to turn off the TV by 9:30. Then I brush my teeth and get ready for bed.
Me too. I usually take a quick shower around 9:15 and then put on my pajamas. It feels so good to unwind.
I agree. By 10 o'clock, I try to go to bed, but sometimes I scroll on my phone and fall asleep late. Not a great habit.
We all do that. But I try to turn off my phone by 10:30 and sleep by 11. A good night's sleep really helps the next day.
Totally. Getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep is important. It helps me stay fresh for work.
Right. I also like to prepare my clothes for the next day before I sleep. It saves time in the morning.
Smart move. I usually set my alarm and then just relax until I fall asleep.
Well, it sounds like we both have pretty similar routines. A good evening routine makes life more peaceful.
Absolutely. Daily verbs like cook, eat, clean, relax, and sleep are simple, but they matter a lot in daily English.
Yes, and telling time like 7:30, 9, and 10:15 helps learners connect language with daily life.
Exactly. I think this was a good conversation for learners who want to improve their English with real-life situations.
Agreed. Thanks for sharing your evening routine, John. Let's talk about morning habits next time.
Sounds like a plan. See you next time, Elena.
Bye, John. Take care.